Here's the car wash. So the Daytona Beach Buc-ee's car wash is actually 235 feet long, or 72 meters, and it's the largest in the state of Florida. Not worldwide, it's the largest in the state of Florida. And the vacuuming, when you get to work, the vacuuming, the bug scrub is all included. So I don't know if you want to do a bug scrub before we go in.
This is the bug scrub here.
Yeah, it's all included. So if you wanted to vacuum, back over here, this is vacuuming. You could go ahead and vacuum real quick. And then this is where you go in. Here's the bug scrub. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick scrub before we go in. Never been here, so I don't know how the boys are gonna do, because they've never been in a car wash before. So there, he's spraying the front of the car. And getting a bug scrub, because you know. And then over here, like I said, this is the vacuums. That's where you vacuum. Sorry. So right now, getting a bug scrub. Big the foot. Getting a good scrub. Because we have lots of bugs here, especially when you're in the forest and all of that stuff. You have bugs, we have ladybugs, we got mosquitoes, we got bugs that are like this, and you're like, oh my gosh, what was that? So, all right, hang tight, and we'll go around here and get into our car wash. Because on your receipt, it will give you, it gives you a number to use here, and you plug it in over here.
Yep.
So
go plug away.
So that's what we're going to do now. You were showing everybody how to do a bug scrub.
What?
It says it's also a chemical bug scrub.
Yes, it chews, it eats, or dissolves, or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, because they're very acidic on our paint, on the auto paint. So hopefully our windshield will look a lot cleaner. All right, so here we are. Wow, it's 4 lanes across. Yeah, 4 lanes. Here's the little dash. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Here we go. Now Big E's gonna plug in the number. We're in his little work
You may have to read it for me. I think that's it right here.
The trace?
APR. It's 6 letters.
Okay, so it's 389 983. Add free tire shine. All right, and off we go. Now we plug your code in. And we're rolling up here. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have been able to drive this because it's got the thing in it.
You need any of this? You need any of this?
I'll just be for the keypads right by the back.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
Putting car in neutral and feet off the pedals.
Alrighty.
All right, here we go. The boys' first time in a car wash.
There you go.
Oh, it's not bending. It's doing its not bend thing.
Oh, here comes the green foam.
What?
So from this point on, you're going to hear Colton start having a hissy fit, and he starts panicking, screaming, and panic crying, and you will see how we handled it, because I videos taped some of it in spurts, and you'll see that my husband turns around in his chair to console him. And this is the first time we ever went through a car wash with him, and I feel so bad that we took him through there and he had to sit through that. And we consoled and did everything we could to help him out. We will make sure he has headphones from this point on. And I wanted to show what ASD looks like when he's in the middle of a meltdown and how we handled it.
Being scared to pieces. I think it's these that are scaring him. I think it's this that's scaring him. It's okay, sweetheart. I am so sorry. This makes me feel so bad. But we got one more layer to go, guy. I'm sorry, baby. You are okay.
I got you.
I am so sorry. See, we didn't know he wasn't gonna like it. This is our last one, buddy.
Car washes.
One more, baby. Here it comes. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, now the dryers. Oh no. Now the dryers.
That's the water.
There goes the water. Bye-bye, water. Bye-bye, water. Now we're going to get a hot wax.
There's the brushes.
I am so sorry, sweetheart. We are all...
You're okay.
We'll have to get out and do some...
You're okay.
A, B,
I got
C, D, E, F, G, H... Oh, now the dryers. It's the noise. Oh, I'm so sorry, babe.
I thought it was more the brushes. That's good.
It's the noise.
I got you. You're okay. I got you.
We're almost done, sweetheart.
I got you.
Okay, so now we know we can't do a car wash with him without headphones. This is a big no. This is very scary for him. Cam seems to be okay at the moment, unless he's asleep. All right, it says wait. Babe, we're getting out. We're getting out. Wait, it's telling us to wait. Wait for it. We're getting out, sweetheart. I'm so sorry. So if you have a little one that's an ASD, some noises do not bother him, but this evidently really did. We think it's the brushes banging on the window and the loud noise from the dryers. I am so sorry, sweetheart. But there it is. So you want to vacuum? You added the vacuuming.
Yeah, sure.
I can take him out. So,
Been comforted.
yes. So pick one. All right. So I'm going to get out now. We're going to... Oh, next time him and I can just get out.
Oh, I should watch it from the outside.
Yes. Okay. We'll be back. Got to do some consoling. This one slept through it.
Free vacuum.
We're going to vacuum now. We'll do it right here. Like I said, this one is asleep. He slept through the whole entire mess. See? You just came through here. Look, buddy. See? You got a hot wax.
So evidently, this part of the video was on silent because it doesn't show that there's any audio on here. So here is showing Biggie vacuuming and doing the mats, and we're outside looking at the Buc-ee's car wash. I'm holding Colton while we're recording, and we're just showing you everything there. That's the vacuums. You got the little bug sprayer that has the air in it to do your grill. All the things, and how long this car wash really was. It's really, really long. And we were just talking and watching and seeing all the things going on while I was consoling the little dude. He was much better once we got him up and out of the car and held on to him. But again, I don't know why this part of the video is like this, but hey, gives me a chance to give you an update on it. This is why we have to be careful with ASD.
So recap, car wash, we got it for like $2. When you pay the $16.99 with a fuel fill up, it gave us gas at $1.75. So we ended up with like 13 gallons and something. So it ended up like I'm gonna say at least $3. Can't do the car wash. Colton hates every second of the noise and the beating on the windows, the vacuums, even standing on the outside. Not having it. And this one over here, snoozing like a little cruiser. So with that, thank you for joining us. Please, if you've made it this far to the end of the video, please like it, subscribe to us, and that would be awesome because it helps our channel and keep in their algorithm and all that great stuff.
And leave us a comment. Did you like our content? What can we do different? What else would you like to see?
Or was there something here you would like to see? So our next trip ever, we'll make sure we try to get it for you.
For sure.
Whatever works to help. It's just makes more fun, and you get a little insight to us being us. But I would give that car wash a major thumbs up. It did great on this little car. This is, like I said, it's a little 2003. It looks so much cleaner. Even the rims look great, minus the little dust on the front ones because that's the main brakes, but that's easy enough to get rid of. So with that, have the day you deserve.